Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to verify a domain name in Meta Business Suite portfolio. Right now as you can see we are into Facebook and here we are going to click on the left side page name. Okay, this is the profile page. We are going to click on Meta Business Suite. Okay, we are into Meta Business Suite. Okay, let's go to settings from the left side toolbar and then as you can see we are into settings, right? You just need to go to the brand safety domains, click on add, create a new domain. Okay, let's enter the domain name and it should be in format of example.com, right? I have copied my domain. Let's paste it and it have clearly mentioned do not add prefix like http colon double slash or https colon double slash, right? So just simply remove it. Okay, it's done and simply click on add. Okay, so our domain has been connected but it's not verified. You just need to copy this meta tag and you just need to paste it into the header section of your website. So I have copied it, right? And you just need to paste it between your head section. Okay, I have copied it. Let's go up to our website and in the left side code snippets, header and footer. This is our website's backend. Just simply enter the code in the header and click on save change. Okay, we have successfully added the code into our website's header section. Okay, sir, I use Shopify. Yes, you can also add header code into your Shopify website using application, right? For inserting header and footer codes. Okay, let's click on verify domain and see if our domain gets verified. Okay, so our domain has been verified because it has successfully fetched the code on our domain, right? So in this manner, you can simply verify your domain in Meta Business Suite portfolio. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to my website, explore our digital marketing course, and if you like the course, simply purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.